Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be installing the F17 Elite dash camera from REDTIGER. This thing is a beast. It is a 3-channel dash camera with a forward-facing 4K camera, a 1080p interior camera, and a 2.7K rear-facing camera. Now let's get going on installing this thing and giving it a test and see how it all works out. You can tell I have some really dark tinted windows, so this is going to be the ultimate test for this beast of a camera. Here we go. Before we start, pro tip. Clean the windshield thoroughly, especially where the lens will sit. You want a crystal clear video, and a little prep goes a long way. Now here's what you get in the box. The F17 Elite dash camera, a 12-volt power plug for quick setup via your cigarette lighter, a 128GB memory card pre-installed. I also got the parking monitor hardware kit, which I'm going to use today. Wired straight into the interior fuse box for 24/7 protection. Installation is easier than you think. The wires tuck cleanly under the headliner, weather stripping, and trim handles. No exposed mess, no drama. Even if you're not a wiring wizard, this setup keeps it simple and clean. The upgraded touchscreen is buttery smooth, like using your phone. Swipe to switch between front, rear, and in-cabin cameras. You can preview footage, adjust lens angles, or even review clips on the fly. Powered by Sony's STARVIS 2 sensors for unbelievable clarity day and night. And now, for the features I'm most excited about. Full color night vision in the cabin. Thanks to Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, you get vibrant, clear images in total darkness. Most dash cams give you grainy black and white footage. This one shows faces, clothing, and every detail in full color. During the daylight, dual HDR tech helps avoid overexposure or underexposed shadows. Perfect for when you're driving straight into the sunlight or headlights. Even in tough lighting, you'll clearly capture license plates and signs. Now check this out. Open the REDTIGER app and connect via Wi-Fi. You can view footage in real time, download clips at 30 megabytes per second, and even manage camera settings. It's all lightning fast, no more waiting around for videos to transfer. This dash cam isn't just smart, it's practical for daily life. Want to keep an eye on the kids or pets in the back seat? Share your car with family? Lend it to a friend? The F17 Elite monitors everything, so you're always in the loop. In parking mode, the front camera uses intelligent image algorithms to capture true color night footage, even in extremely low light. Just make sure you use the 2.5 amp accessory step-down cable with the hardware kit to activate this feature. REDTIGER's anniversary sale is happening now from June 15th. Search REDTIGER on Google or Amazon or head straight to their website. When you register as a REDTIGER member and place an order on their official website, you're entered into their lucky drawing for a chance to win a full refund of your purchase. All right, if you guys want next level protection inside and out, the F17 Elite from REDTIGER is the way to go. I was very surprised how clean the footage was with these tinted windows. I would recommend it to anybody. Don't forget to look for a link in the description. Smash that like button right now, subscribe, share, check out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.